Watercolor doesn't always have to be a step-by-step approach. You can also paint in a very intuitive way, which can be actually quite challenging, but a lot of fun at the same time. It actually takes a lot of courage to paint in this way, not knowing the outcome beforehand. A lot of people struggle with that, but also people that really love this way of working. To my surprise, I've already achieved to get over 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so thank you very much. And as a thank you, I've created a coupon code that you can use for my online watercolor tutorials if you'd like to find out more about how to work with watercolor in a contemporary way. Really, painting this way is all about making decisions, thinking about what your next step can be, and then have the courage to actually take action and proceed. My idea for sprinkling in the sky actually came because in Australia, in Melbourne, it is raining at the moment. So my thought process was, I'm going to show some rain. You can find a lot more ideas and inspiration in my tutorials. In my tutorials I focus on skills, of course, but also about creative thinking and what else you can do with watercolor. When I paint, I look at what's already on paper and how I can react to that. And that can be colors, it can be shape. And I know that towards the final stages of my painting, I can start adding some detail as well. How do you know when you finish your painting? Well, I don't think it's ever going to be very clear, but usually when you're not sure what to do anymore, you're probably close to finishing your painting. But at this stage, or if you're a beginner, I would always recommend to push it further. You almost need to go too far and ruin your work to find out your limits. I always say the worst that can happen when you paint is that you have to start again. And I always say it's just painting. It's not surgery, just painting. So if you have enjoyed this demonstration, please like my video or subscribe to my channel and use the code at the end of this video to receive a discount for my online watercolor tutorials.